Okay, solve the triangle ABC using love sign. Clear, we're gonna use love sign because as you see, we have an angle and we know an angle and the opposite side. And we have another side. So as we told before that if you have an angle and the opposite sides and they give you another angle or another side, right away we're gonna use uh, a love sign. Okay, so let's set love sign together. As we remember, sine of c over c equals sine of what? We're looking for a. Why? Because we have already side a, so we're gonna get this angle a. Sine of a over side a. So this is my target is to find angle a because it's unknown. So sine of c, which is sine of 115 degrees, divided by c, which is 14 feet, equals sine of a, we don't know, divided by a, which is 12. So this is my target, is to find uh, angle A. Okay, so we could multiply 12 times sine of 115 divided by 14. So sine of A equals 12 times sine 115 divided by 14. Let's calculate that. So 12 times sine of 115 divided by 14 equals 0.7768. Let's write that. 0.7768. 0.7768. This is sine A. We're looking for A. If you're looking for A to get the arc sine, then A equals arc sine of 0.7768. Let's calculate that to give us the measurement of this angle. So arc sine of 0.7768, enter, give us 50.97. They said rounded to 10. It's about 51 degrees. 51 degrees. So A equals 51. 51 degrees. About 51 degrees. Not perfect. Okay. And listen, we're not done because actually they said solve triangle. Solve triangle means find the all missing. So this is missing. Let's count our missing. A is missing. We already got it. B is missing. We need it. AC is missing. We need it. Okay. We could use the same ratio, sine of C over sine of 115 over C. Same ratio to find AC, which is B. So let's do that here. Okay. So I'll do that here. So we'll do that here. Sine of C over C equals, that's capital C, that's lowercase c, equals, we're looking for B. So sine of B, capital B, over side B, lower case b. Let's plug it in what we know. So sine of C means sine of 115 divided by C, which is 14, equals sine of B, we don't know, and we need to know. Sine of B divided by B. Sine of B divided by B. Sine of B divided by B. Did we find any missing sign? Do we know angle B? Yeah, we could know it now. Why not? Because we know already A. A is 51 and C is 115. We could find B easily and use it here in our issue. So we'll do that here. Separate notes. Here. We add 115 plus the angle that we got. 115 plus 51 degrees equals 166 degrees, and then subtract it from 180 to get B. So 180 minus 166 equals about 14 degrees, very small angle. 14 degrees. So now we're going to substitute for sine B as 15. 14. And we're going to cross multiply to find sine B. So how to cross multiply? As you see here, we cross multiply this. We known diagonal 14 times sine 14 divided by sine of 115. Yeah. So B equals 14 sine 14 divided by sine 115. Let's calculate that here. 14 sine 14. 14 sine 14 divided by sine 115. Sine 115 equals about 3.7. 3.7. B equals 3.7 feet. They told us. Yeah. You got B, which is 3.7 feet. So we know now all sides. All sides we know it, A, B, C, and we know all angles. A, we got it here. B, we got it here. And C, it's given. That's it.